In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove line breaks on Wix. If you've ever found yourself struggling with text splitting into multiple lines on your Wix site, you're not alone. This common issue often has a straightforward solution, and today we'll tackle it together. Let's start by taking a close look at the width of your text box or container. Sometimes line breaks occur because the text container is simply too narrow. If you've added more content or changed the text size, this can push your words to spill over into additional lines. Instead of attempting to rewrite your content or reduce the font size, both of which can affect readability and design, you might find that adjusting the text box width is all you need to do. Head over to your Wix editor and locate the specific text box that's giving you trouble with unexpected line breaks. Click on it to select the text container. You'll see handles or small dots appear along the border of the text box. These handles allow you to adjust the size and shape of the box to better fit the content you're presenting. To expand the width, simply click and drag one of the side handles outward. You'll see the text flow within the container, and hopefully it starts to align in the way you envisioned without breaking into unwanted lines. It might be helpful to incrementally adjust the size while keeping an eye on your whole web page layout. This ensures that one solution doesn't cause another issue, like overlapping with other elements or impacting the visual aesthetics you're aiming for. If your text still breaks to the next line even after resizing, double-check to ensure that you didn't accidentally activate any settings that enforce text wrapping or justify alignment that might be contributing to the problem. Once the text aligns properly, remember to save your changes by clicking on Publish or Save in your Wix dashboard. This way, you're keeping the updated version live for all your visitors to see. It's one of those finer details that can significantly improve user experience because well-organized content makes your page more visually appealing and easier to read. Replacing line breaks might seem like a small change, but it can greatly enhance the quality and professionalism of your site. Every adjustment you make builds towards a seamless and intuitive experience for every visitor on your page. So go ahead, open your Wix editor, and start fine-tuning those text boxes. With just these few easy tweaks, you'll have a more polished and effective web presence in no time. No more pesky line breaks to worry about. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.